Welcome to Maths with Bob. We're looking at the 3-minute series, quadratic equations, and today, well, we're in the quadratic formula. We're going to be using the quadratic formula. This is problem 3 over here. You can see here, it doesn't actually look like a quadratic to start with. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, well, the first thing is obviously a bit of an algebraic fraction, I suppose, of sorts, and you can see here we're going to need to clear the denominators. Okay, so clear the denominators. So I'll try and make this a circle this time. Okay, here we go. Right, now you can see here what's on the bottom, x minus 3x minus 4x plus 5. So if we multiply everything by basically x minus 3x minus 4x plus 5, we should clear all the fractions, and we are going to get, you can see here, a fairly big expression, 2 lots of x minus 4 times x plus 5 minus 3 lots of x minus 3 times x plus 5 plus 4 lots of x minus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. Now, you can see here when we obviously need to expand these out, collect up the like terms, eventually it turns into, you can see here, our wonderful, here we are, where is it? Yes, 3x squared minus 32x plus 53 equals 0. So here's our quadratic equation. You can see here, over here, our a, b, and c. Our a is 3, b is minus 32, and c is 53. Obviously, these are the coefficients. A, b, and c are the general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so obviously we then start putting it into the formula. So let's have a look. Okay, let's have a quick look. A is 3, right? So A is 3. Where's A? A is over here. B is minus 32, so it's actually minus B, so it's minus 32 plus or minus 32 squared minus 4 times A, which was 3, and C, you see, is 53. All over 2 times A, and A was 3, so it's 6 on the bottom. Okay, that eventually gives us this expression here. You can see here that x is equal to 32 plus or minus the square root of 388 over 6. Okay, as you know, you have to separate those. 32 plus root 388 and over 6, and then 32 minus 388 over, or the square root of 388 over 6. Okay, eventually they're going to give us some solutions, hopefully, and yes, 8.62 and 2.05. Now you can actually have a quick look over here. This is the graph, this one here. You can see the point A and the point B over here. But you can see that the actual graph is actually a combination of hyperbolas. It's quite a sophisticated graph. We've got like asymptotes here and there. And you can see here the points A and B. Ones where obviously where this equation is 0, or the x values which make this equation equal to 0, basically. Which came from converting it to a quadratic equation. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye for now.